A man has a dog named Cooper who thinks he's a cat. One day, while the man is working from home, he notices Cooper lounging on the windowsill, soaking up the sun just like a cat would. Curious, he grabs his phone and starts recording. Suddenly, Cooper decides to show off by attempting to clean himself, licking his paw and rubbing it over his face. The man shakes his head, chuckling. Guess he prefers fetch over grooming. The man can't contain his laughter and says, "You know you're a dog, right?" Just then, Cooper jumps down, grabs a squeaky toy, and starts running around the room like a total goofball, completely forgetting his cat-like moment. From that day on, every time Cooper lounges in the sun, it's a reminder that he's the funniest mix of dog and cat, keeping everyone entertained.